So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing super fine. So today's challenge is a direct message, and what I'm going to do is I'll not be using anything from the internet, but I'll be using only the plugins. From there only I'll be doing everything. So yeah, plugins and only the only this only XT, using only XT I'll be doing this. So it is going to be a little challenging, but okay. So we'll just draw a rectangle for our thing here. Okay, before that let me just get this iOS 12 UI so that I can get all the icons for iOS. Loading. So yeah, here we are. I will just go get one, maybe this and this. Okay, this and this. Control C, Control V, so that I'll just bring everything in the front. Oh, why is it not coming front? I'll just send this back. Why? Okay, yeah, it doesn't. It is not coming. Oh, it's a white, right? Damn, my bad. Control L. I will just make it black. Okay, I just make this also black. Why is this not? Okay, black, complete black. Okay, so here we are. I'll just center line this and this. So what I'll do is I'll just put this here, drag it, and I think I'll be making is today's color scheme would be blue and maybe black, blue and black. So what kind of blue would I be picking today? This is a dull blue. Huh. Let me check with the color combination once. If I just drag another and put it in front, how will it look? Looks okay, but I think I'll have to go little more lighter in the black part so that it's not completely black. Okay, I'll be using these two colors, so I'll just go to my colors and I'll select these two colors. For this I'll be making a blue or a black. Blue looks good. The rest of the back will be black. This one I'll remove the border. Shift Control G, Shift Control G. Looks look at this. Okay. There you go. That's what I see. Okay, so we have our. We'll make this white. Okay, I'll just make this much white. And this one and this one white. I'll remove this. This one again white, and the bottom also will go white. Okay, so we have our thing here. Here our message typing box will come. Maybe here we'll have our user, like the other person whom we are messaging, their details, and then a few random texts here and there. Okay, so we'll have a random text here. Okay, I'll just drag few here, here. So yeah, I'll just grab this both. Fill text. I don't know it. Okay, so our wireframe is kind of ready. So I'll just drag another artboard here. So what I'll do is I'll just put one circle as logo. Shift C for this, and I'll just give a back button like this. Okay, we have our back button. I'll just make it smaller now, and I'll put a black line with thicker thing, and then this I'll just go too thick, 2 as our size. Okay, wait. I'll just check if there is a logo generator for our plugins part. Logo, search UI logos. Okay. Let me install this. Once it's installed, I'll just look into that. Or else, instead of here logo, we could actually give the name of the person here itself instead of this. Okay. I'll not put a logo, I'll just use a user profile there. Okay, here I go. I'll make it a little bigger and fit his face. Just let me see the layout part. But okay, so okay, it looks fine to me. Looks fine via this, and I'll just put a random name called Joe Howard's. Okay, Joe Howard. I'll put it in the top. I'll just put the top, and I'll give a green dot here, saying that he's online. Okay, I'll just put this saying that he's online. I'll just drag this and make it online, and I'll make it a smaller one. Okay, so I haven't used any text like the font. I've not changed it. Okay, script Himalaya, that is bad font. Name is Outlook. Okay, that is even bad. What do we go? We will go with railway. Huh. Railway is good, but do we have a lot of options? Yeah, we have a lot of options here. I'll just go this with semi bold. Looks fine though. I'll give a 3 dots here for the user. Control G. I think I'll make it a little bit smaller. Okay, looks fine to me. I'll just center line it to this. So we have our top part. I'll just remove this. I'll just remove this. Actually, you'll have to give a text box, right? I'm like, what I'll give is I'll just put this. Okay, I'll go with this color, but I'll go with the lighter version. Maybe no. I'll just reduce the this opacity of this. For our user thing, I'll be giving white. I'll be in full opacity. What if I give this also full opacity? I'll use white and black here. So we have our white and black done. Okay, this looks fine. What else can be added? We have to add our text input part. So this will be our input part. I will just center line this and give it an icon of icon design. Send this one. I'll use this icon. I'll just make it smaller. I will make it center lined, and then I'll just put another blue there, and then I will even give an attachment where we can use attachment. Okay, so this is good. Make it smaller, rotate it a bit, and give it again blue. Yeah, our text box is actually ready. I've kept it simple. I've kept it simple enough for you to follow along if you are following along. I'll give this left a line, and I'll just put lorem ipsum, quick lorem ipsum. I'll just make this also bit tad wide. Okay. Lorem ipsum, quick lorem ipsum. Okay, so I'll just put this here. We have our text thing here. I'll drag this a bit, and then I'll just drag this one a bit. This one goes up. If it is for 2 lines, then we can use this thing. Okay, fits super fine. For timing, again I'll actually use the same here, so that we are showing our time, maybe 12:45. I'll just use this also here. I'll just give this line side a line here. So yeah, our design part looks fine. Now what if we have to give a tick mark that you have seen it has reached? And yeah, one more thing I can actually add is today. I mean, like the date part when the message was sent. So it's actually there in WhatsApp and all. So I'll just use the same thing with a little good design. I'm not saying that is bad design, but yeah, I'm just using it. Okay, so we will be using only 2 fonts, 2 weight of fonts. Shift T. So yeah, this looks fine. I'll just again copy this all the way down to this. So we have our okay. So what I'll do is I'll just give a small text with this. Maybe opacity, I'll reduce the opacity. This one will be but yeah, this will not come here. It will actually come here from the user point of view. I'll just delete this, drag it down and make the opacity lower. red. Okay, it says it is red. Okay, and if it is for seen, it'll be seen, and for that we'll have to delete this message. Okay, so this is how our thing looks. So for today's video, this is enough. This looks pretty fine, pretty refined. And yeah, thank you for watching today's video. I hope you have liked it and you have gotten some value from my part. And I just hope you keep on learning and stay student for life. And yeah, thank you for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have seen all my previous videos also, and keep me motivated by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and even comment on what feedback you can give, what I can improve on. And yeah, that's it for the day. See you in the next video.